I got a referral to Yashoda hospital when I was diagnosed with colon cancer. After thorough research, my family settled on Dr. Sachin Mada.
She is really a warrior because it was already locally advanced and it was little aggressive and almost stage 4.
My names are Christine Naika from Kenya. I'm here at Yashoda hospital in Hyderabad. I got a referral to this hospital when I was diagnosed with colon cancer. I first got an operation in my country. I went for the chemos, all the procedures. After that, it cropped up again in 2023. From there, it's when I got a referral to come to Yashoda. Then after thorough research, my family settled on Dr. Sachin Mada and his team. After reaching here, again, I was taken through so many tests. After the tests, it was discovered that the cancer has metastasis in the intestine. I was taken to the theater. On 29th, operation was done. I'm now on a recovery trip and they have taken my cancer cells test. The outcome is that I should do the immunotherapy, which I'm planning to go back and do it into my country. About 8 sessions, which the doctors will decide, and my oncologist. I would like to thank the Yashoda Hospital, to thank Dr. Sachin Mada and the entire team for the good care they took and the hospitality of all the profession. And I would like to urge anybody else who has come through this, if he's suffering from cancer or any other diseases, please come to Yashoda. They have all the professionals. My operated wound is now healing. I'm now planning to go back. After 6 months again, I'll come back for the checkup. Thank you very much. Thank you for the personnel in the international department and his team. I thank God for everything.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sachin Marda, Senior Consultant Oncologist, Clinical Director, Robotic Surgeon from Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad, India. Listen to this one more important inspiring story of an international patient who traveled all the way long miles from Kenya and Mombasa, which is a port city of Kenya. She is Mrs. Christian and she is really a warrior because 4 years back she developed breast cancer, for which she took treatment in Kenya and surgery, chemotherapy and radiation done, and she was living normal life. But again, after 4 years, something shook her. There was one more tumor developed in her intestine, and this was the story was not easy because it was already locally advanced and it was little aggressive and almost stage 4. And then they went to their treating doctor and she directly referred this case to the best center at Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad. And once we received her, we evaluated, and then we found that the tumor was very advanced and it was stuck to the colon, to the duodenum, to the pancreas and the root of mesentery, and it was literally inoperable. But with the excellent team of oncologist, anesthesia consultant and staff, and of course our whole department, we did that very complex, technically challenging surgery and she could recover fast. And then because she had double cancer, we just checked her genetic profile and we sent the sample for NGS, that is next generation sequencing, where we got some idea about the genes, and also accordingly we have started her some advanced medical management like immunotherapy, and now she has received 1 cycle and she is going back to her country for further chemotherapy. I thank you all the international team members, our staff, and not the least the family members. They really stood like a rock support for her, because patient who have recovered from one cancer of breast tumor, now again a second cancer with intestine is very difficult to digest, and that's where the whole family and friend supports come into picture. Of course, as a doctor, as a medical fraternity, we will do our best, but at a moral level, all the friends and family also, they really did well, and she is very happy. She recently gone to her own country and she will update her progress soon. So thank you very much for listening these motivational and inspiring stories of our cancer warriors from Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad. Bye bye.